Dear students, now we are going to discuss about the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus, it lies below the thalamus and it is separate from the thalamus by the hypothalamic sulcus. What is meant by that? See, in this diagram, this one is a thalamus. I already told you this is the thalamus. So below the thalamus, see this one, this is the hypothalamus. Okay, so it is located below the thalamus. That's why it is known as hypothalamus. Okay, and it is separated from this thalamus by a shallow groove. That groove it is known as hypothalamic sulcus. See, this is in this side view, this is the thalamus. This area, this is a thalamus, and this one is a hypothalamus. These two are separated by a shallow sulcus. This is the hypothalamic sulcus. Means this thalamus it is separated from this hypothalamus by a sulcus known as the hypothalamic sulcus. So first point is clear. It is located below the thalamus and it is separated from the thalamus by the hypothalamic sulcus. And it forms the floor and lateral wall of the third ventricle. See, this is the third ventricle and it forms the lateral wall and the floor of the third ventricle, mainly this lateral wall. Okay. And it is the head ganglion of the autonomic nervous system. So those 3 points are clear. Now we are going to see the boundaries or some relations. Laterally, it is related to the internal capsule. How it is related to the internal capsule? See here. Now this red line represents the internal capsule. I already told you about the lateral relation of the thalamus. This thalamus laterally related to the internal capsule. Like that, this hypothalamus is also related to the internal capsule. So laterally internal capsule, medially node of third ventricle. So laterally internal capsule, medially third ventricle. Then anteriorly, it is limited by the lamina terminalis. So what is that lamina terminalis? See, this is a hypothalamus. And here we can see a thin structure. This is the lamina terminalis. So lateral relation clear, medial relation clear, then anterior relation is also clear. Posteriorly, ventral thalamus. Then inferiorly it is related to tuber cinerum, infundibulum, and a mammillary body. See, here we can see the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is connected to the hypothalamus by the infundibulum. Infundibulum part of the hypothalamus. So inferiorly it is related to the infundibulum, then mammillary body, then here we are having another structure, tuber cinerum. So inferiorly these structures, pituitary gland, infundibulum part of the pituitary gland, mammillary body. So inferiorly tuber cinerum, infundibulum, and mammillary body. What will be the superior relation? Superiorly thalamus. So superior, inferior, medial, lateral, anterior, posterior. These relations are clear. Now parts. It is having 4 parts. Preoptic in front of the optic nerve. So preoptic part and supraoptic above the optic part. Then tuberal and mammillary region. So these are the 4 parts of this hypothalamus. Preoptic, supraoptic, tuberal, and mammillary. These parts are having some nuclei. What are the nuclei? See, this is a preoptic part with the preoptic nucleus. We'll see that. See, preoptic region, it is having preoptic nucleus. See, this one, this nucleus, this is the preoptic nucleus. Now, supraoptic region means this is optic chiasma. So, above that, this area, this is a supraoptic region. Okay. So, preoptic region, then supraoptic region. What are the nuclei? See, here we can see some nucleus. Okay, what are the nucleus? See, above this optic, so this nucleus is known as supraoptic nucleus. So first one is the supraoptic nucleus. Then suprachiasmatic nucleus, where see above the optic chiasma, immediately above the optic chiasma, this one, this is a suprachiasmatic nucleus. Okay, then anterior nucleus. In this diagram, this is the anterior nucleus. Then paraventricular nucleus. Then another one is a large one. This is a part of the lateral nucleus. Okay, so supraoptic, suprachiasmatic, anterior, paraventricular, and lateral nucleus in this supraoptic part. This area is known as supraoptic part. We'll check it again. Supraoptic part is having supraoptic nucleus, suprachiasmatic nucleus, anterior, paraventricular, and lateral nucleus. Now the tuberal part, tuberal region. Tuberal region means the here, this area. Okay. Tuberal part is having arcuate nucleus, dorsomedial nucleus, ventromedial nucleus, then lateral tuberal nucleus, then lateral nucleus. Lateral nucleus, I already told you, it's a large nucleus. A part of the lateral nucleus which is seen in the supraoptic region, and a part of the same lateral nucleus is seen in this mammillary region. See this one. Okay, then premammillary and tuberomammillary. We'll try to identify. See, this one is the coronal section of the hypothalamus. So this is the third ventricle, and the right and left hypothalamus. See like this. This is the coronal section. So here we can see some nucleus. So what are they? See here, one arch-shaped nucleus is here. Arcuate. That's why it's known as arcuate. It is arched. Okay. So arcuate nucleus. Then dorsomedial, ventromedial. See this one, dorsomedial nucleus. Below that, ventromedial nucleus. Okay. Then lateral tuberal nucleus. Below that, see this one is a lateral tuberal nucleus. Then this is what our lateral nucleus, that large lateral nucleus. Okay. Then premammillary and tuberomammillary are not clear in this diagram. Then the mammillary region. Mammillary region means this is this posterior part which is related to this mammillary body. Okay. See this area. This is a mammillary region. So this is a preoptic, then supraoptic, then below that tuberal, then this is a mammillary region. What are the nucleus seen in this mammillary region? Posterior nucleus. It is very clear. See this one. This is the posterior nucleus. Then mammillary nuclei, medial mammillary nuclei and lateral mammillary nuclei are seen in this mammillary body. Okay. In addition to that, lateral nucleus, which is seen in the lateral side. It's a large nucleus, lateral nucleus, and only a part of the lateral nucleus is seen here. So lateral nucleus. So those are the nuclei seen in this hypothalamus. Now connections. Here also it is having afferent fibers and efferent fibers. First, afferent fibers. Hypothalamus receives visceral sensation, including the taste, okay, through the spinal cord and brain stem. See visceral sensation from the brain stem and spinal cord. It gets visceral sensation from the spinal cord and brain stem. And it is also connected to the several centers connected to the olfactory pathway. See here, olfactory pathway. Several centers means, say, limbic system is also connected to the olfactory pathway or olfactory system. Okay, like that, it gets fibers from the olfactory, the fibers from the centers connected to the olfactory pathway. Then efferent fibers. It gives fibers to fibers to the pituitary gland through supraoptico-hypophyseal tract. It is meant by that. Those fibers arise from the supraoptic nucleus to the hypophyseal cerebri means pituitary gland. Means from the supraoptic nucleus to the pituitary gland. That's why this tract or this bundle is known as supraoptico-hypophyseal tract. So it gives fibers to the pituitary gland through this supraoptico-hypophyseal tract. Then mammillothalamic tract, from the mammillary body to the thalamus, tegmental tract, mammillary body to the brainstem. Okay. So this diagram, you have to by heart this diagram. Then some important functions of this hypothalamus. It regulates eating and drinking behavior. It regulates the sexual activity and reproduction. It controls autonomic activity, emotional behavior. It controls the endocrine activity, response to the stress. Then temperature or regulation, maintains the temperature, body temperature. Then biological clock, it maintains the activity, okay, daily activity. So these are some of the important points of this hypothalamus. The remaining details we have to read. And one more topic is there, that brainstem, features of the brainstem, that also you have to read. Okay, thank you.